924 Mike, Mike, okay sir, after Torby circle south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me.
Departure, Cobra 5992, just out of 4,700 for 10,000.
Correct, 588, heavy to right heading 070, say airspeed.
You're 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo and ground point 9.
CW 708, information November is current, the altimeter is 3040. Sierra Charlie, just confirm you have the Gulfstream that you can proceed southeastbound, sir.
10 Charlie, has Gulfstream.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Options 9529 Gulfstream traffic, 2-mile final, runway 1, no delay, clear for takeoff. Thank you very much for the early turn there, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain that below 1,000 till departing Delta airspace. Good day. Thank you very much. Options 9529 Gulfstream traffic, 2-mile final, runway 1, no delay, clear for takeoff.
American 1262 as you pass at 6,500 for 3,000.
American 1262, roger. And Abilene Tower, 30602, would be 1 second.
Papa Romeo, runway 1, clear for takeoff.